I saw yung vlog ni Ivana about sa, yung nagluto siya ng crab na, oh my gosh, parang natakam ako. Gusto ko rin kumain ng crab. So, ayan guys. Bali na yung ating crock pot. Ayan. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating crab. And yung mga iba pang ihahalo nating ingredients. Okay? So, let's start with this. Ibang laki. Ayan. Nilagyan ko pala to guys ng isang lang. Isang basong tubig lang. Ayan. Tapos, madami tayong onions, kaya lalagyan ko ng onions. Tapos, naghiwa ako ng corns. Yan. Corns. Tapos guys, meron tayong mushroom dyan. So, lalagyan na natin ng mushroom. Tapos, lalagyan ko na din siya ng carrots. Kasi madaming carrots dyan sa fridge. Ayan. Tapos guys, meron ako ditong mushroom creamy soup. So, gusto ko ilagay ito dito sa ating crab. Oh my gosh. Sarap. Ew, sarap-sarap. Ayan. Then, lalagyan natin ng ating Old Bay seasoning. Ito guys, para talaga to sa crabs. You see that? Sarap. Tapos, parang gusto ko din siyang lagyan ito. Ito. For seafood din to. Let's just see. Ayan guys. Then we will also put this one. This is Maggi. Gusto ko kasi may taste of chicken siya. Gusto ko medyo maanghang siya. So lagyan natin cajun. Sarap. Excited na kaagad akong kumain guys. Tapos, gusto ko rin, meron siyang taste ng lemon and pepper. So, lagyan natin ng lemon and pepper. Ang sarap nito guys. Excited to eat it. Then, eto, this one, masarap din to, medyo spicy. Wala nang takad-takad guys. Basta masarap yan. Siyempre, hindi papahuli yung ating garlic salt. Hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng salt kasi meron ng garlic salt. Konti lang kasi yung bawang na nilagay ko. Naubusan na pala ako ng bawang guys. So, diba? Sarap. Excited na ako kumain. Oh my gosh. Pero guys, huwag natin kakalimutan yung ating paprika. Gustong gusto ko talaga yung paprika. Nakakasarap kasi siya. Okay. Pwede ka din maglagay ng leaves kung gusto mo. Like, pwede natin lagyan itong rosemary leaves. Ito guys, kung ayaw mo, no need. Dito kasi guys sa America, ang daming seasonings as in. You choose kung anong gusto mo. Parang gusto ko tong chili and lime. May taste ng konti. So, let's taste. Okay. Ngayon guys, sadagdagan natin ng tubig. Kasi baka kulang yung tubig natin. Kasi isang baso lang yun. Yung egg, kaya lang niluluto ko pa dito sa air fryer. Ayan. Sarap. Excited. Okay. Ngayon, sasaradukin ko na siya. Pero bago yan, lalagyan ko muna siya ng black pepper. Kasi ito talaga guys. Ay, mukhang madami na akong nalagay na black pepper ha. Okay. Mukhang masarap. Ew, yummy. So, my temperature. So, time now is 6:36. So, ayan guys, I'm waiting for the food. And, 4 to 6 hours dito sa slow cooker bago kumakain itong crab. Kaya ililipat ko na to dito sa stove to boil. And guys, hopefully ito dito mas mabilis. Ooh, delicious. Yummy, 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 yum. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're going to have our cocktail sauce. So, oh my gosh, I'm excited to eat. This is so delicious. This is just a cocktail sauce, guys. This is perfect for seafood. Look. Oh my gosh, it's time to eat, guys. Kita nyo yan? Oh my gosh, sarap. Sarap. Guys, looks like I cooked this for 2 hours. Yeah. Thank you for this food, Lord. Amen. Woo. Delicious. Oh my gosh. Dapat siguro kamay na lang to. So delicious.
Yummy.
Delicious? Ay, you want to eat to, boy?
Yummy.
Yeah, it needs holding. Totally. Do you like it?
Yummy. Water, baby.
Water? Cold? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Delicious. You know, it's hard to take this out. You hear me? This cocktail sauce is delicious too.
Yeah, that's good.
It is.
You did a good job.
Yeah. Looks like I'm liking cooking food more and more. I've been cooking a lot lately. Delicious salt. Delicioso, baby. Delicioso. Next time we'll include other seafoods
Yeah.
like squid, fish. Also added some sausage. I mean, it's good to cook at the crock pot, but you must have a lot of time, like you're not hungry yet. Right? If you have 4 to 6 hours, you're not that hungry, you can cook at the crock pot. But if you want it done quickly, just cook it at the stove. You know, the big crab is better because the meat is a lot better too. Mm. Jonathan is looking at you like,
Something you also put in here is potatoes.
Actually, I know it's there to put potatoes. I just did not add. Cause
It's good though.
the next time when I make seafood, I will add potatoes.
Did you eat the egg?
Yep, we're ready. Oh, it's hard to open this too. Thanks.
Well,
Oh, look at this. So delicious. It's a good thing that you did not go to work tonight.
yeah.
You are able to join me eating food.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you went to work, you won't be able to join me.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You want more corn?
Oh, you can have it.
Okay. You can have this onion.
I don't want no more.
Okay, open it for me. What is it? Are you full? Great food today.
The trash in here.
Okay.
Then close it up and put it in the garbage can.
Okay.
That way, it won't smell so bad.
Okay. Wow. Mmm. So yummy.
Yeah, you did real good on that.
Yeah, delicious. Thanks, honey. Don't lay on the bed yet. If you are going to have an acid reflux.